Hey there, welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita, where we learn to speak better, grow smarter, and shine brighter. Today, I'm here with a very simple question. Does it happen to you whenever you participate in a conversation, whether you're in a meeting or talking to your friends or maybe relatives, or maybe you are in a formal setup in school, universities, corporates, office? You talk, but nobody really listens or nobody really cares. What if I told you there is one very simple phrase that can instantly change the way people see you, hear you, and remember you? Now, sounds big? No, let me explain. The magic phrase is here is what I think, or maybe here's what I think. Yes, you heard me right. Say it with me. This is very simple, right? Say it with me. Here's what I think. Sounds very simple, but let me tell you, it does three powerful things. So, whenever you are in a conversation, whether formal or informal, you have to make sure that you start your conversation, or whenever somebody asks you something, when you're giving your input or talking or sharing, you should always say, here's what I think. It is very simple, but let me tell you, it actually has a very powerful impact. Now let us discuss those impact one by one. First impact that it has is it shows your confidence. You are not hiding, you are owning your opinion. So when you start your opinion or conversation, or when you have to give an input with the sentence, here's what I think, it actually gives a very calm, clear, and actually it helps you to sound assertive and not aggressive. See, it sounds very simple. Here's what I think. So people actually feel that how calmly, how clearly, and in such an assertive manner you are putting across your opinion, your ideas, your thoughts, and what kind of clarity you have it in your mind. So yes, always use this phrase, here's what I think. The second impact which happens when you start your conversation or your ideas, your inputs with this phrase is invites respect. So whenever you give your opinion and you start it with the phrase, here's what I think, it will actually invite people's respect. Why? You must be asking me why. Because it shows that you are not forcing your opinion, right? You are not forcing your opinion, you are offering it, right? And when you offer, or you are this actually brings in that people, they feel that okay, so when opinions are not forced, people become more receptive to what you are saying. They will actually lend an ear and definitely listen to you. So yes, this actually invites a lot of respect, because this shows that you are only trying to offer or put across your thoughts and ideas without actually forcing people to accept it. Now let's move on to the third point. So it makes you visible. Now you must be wondering, how will it make you visible? See, people who talk, and most importantly, people who talk sense, are remembered by everyone. So whether you are in your college or university, maybe you are in a board meeting, or maybe you are just with your friends or maybe relatives, when you put your opinions with confidence, without fear, without forcing or coaxing people to follow exactly what you are trying to say, you will always be remembered. And let me tell you, this will always show that you can speak your mind without fear. Okay, so when you use this phrase, it will actually make you visible. It will actually show that you have that strength, or you have that courage, where you can speak your mind without being judged, without fear, and with utmost clarity. It also shows that you are very, very secure with your, surroundings, because आप अपने thoughts को present कर रहे हैं कहते हुए कि मुझे ये लगता है, this is what I think. So this shows that you are also respecting what others feel. So next time, if you are in your discussion, or maybe somebody asks you a question, don't say, okay, maybe. Start putting your words, but before, say, here is what I think. Even if your voice is shaking, even if your English isn't perfect, say it with confidence, and let me tell you, it will actually work every time. You know why? Because when you speak with clarity and calm, people notice, they respect you more, and they start seeing you as a confident and capable person. So this week, I want you to try it wherever you are, whether it's school, college, your office, or maybe at home. See, here's what I think, and watch how many people pay more attention to what you think. See, remember, sometimes it is not about some big fancy words. Sometimes these are small phrases or small sentences that actually makes all the difference. So yes, forget everything, forget all your fear whenever you're asked your opinion, or maybe asked a question, or maybe you are putting across your thoughts or contributing to a discussion. Start it with, here's what I think. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Also, you can let me know in the comment box that which is your go-to phrase in English conversation, and maybe we can build a library of phrases together. So this is Sushmita from Thrive with Sushmita signing off, where we build and grow one word or maybe one phrase at a time. Thank you so much.